Hey everyone, in this video we will see how to fix Virgin TV remote not working, battery, pairing and signal troubleshooting guide. Fix 1. Check the batteries. Remove the battery from the remote, then insert a new pair of batteries making sure the plus and minus ends are correct. Then test the remote again. Second one is restart the Virgin TV box. Turn off your Virgin TV box, then unplug the power cable. Wait for 30 seconds, then plug it back in and turn it on. Then try the remote again. Third one is repair the remote. Stand close to the Virgin TV box, then press and hold the TV and 0 buttons together. Hold them until the LED lights start flashing. Follow the on-screen instruction to complete pairing. Fourth one is reset the remote. Remove the batteries, press and hold the power button for 10 seconds, then reinsert the batteries. Pair the remote with the TV box again if needed. Fifth one is remove signal blockage. Make sure nothing is blocking the front of the TV box. Then point the remote directly at the box. Move closer and test the remote. Thanks for watching.